I had Guardian Roofing come out because I was in the attic and I could look up at my chimney and see daylight and sky around all four sides of my chimney. The water and the rain was coming in my attic, and I had mold spores starting on the roof from the inside. They came out, and when they started working on my roof, I heard from multiple neighbors about how professional they were, how quiet they were. They said other companies in my area were really loud and blared their music, and when Guardian Roofing came out, they just told me how wonderful that they were. They were quick, and they were trying to beat the oncoming rain that was coming in, and they were able to do that to protect the inside of my attic so that it didn't encourage more mold. They also had some nails on the ground that they used a magnet machine for to prevent any of the nails getting in my tires daily as I was driving to and from getting to work. I have already recommended Guardian Roofing to family, friends, and neighbors.